Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you some of the things we've completed. So today we have an upright piano that is in the middle of the process. We have now completed the restoration of the finish, completely restored into the traditional mahogany. And you can see here where the decal shows the Howard, R.S. Howard and Company. It has all ivories, and we've cleaned the ivories. And we've completed all of them, put it all back together, and we have brought all the brass back up to full bright, and now we're going to start the technical work. So when we talk about a full rebuild, we're not talking about just the repair and the restoration of the case. We're talking about a full restoration. This piano is going to be restrung and the action rebuilt and the hammers replaced. So take a look inside. In fact, let me take off this piece here, and so you can see inside, and we can show you what's happening for the rebuild. So this is the front piece, and you can see that we're going to be working on replacing all of the felt hammers, because all the hammers have been worn pretty badly. Some of them have been replaced in years past. We need a new damp rail, new dampers, and then we're going to be replacing a lot of the bridle straps. So this is a full rebuild of an R.S. Howard, New York, about 1912 or so. So the strings have come to the end of their life. And this is an extremely sentimental piano for the customer. And that's the only reason to spend on this kind of a restoration, is that it means so much to the family because it was purchased by the grandmother or the great-grandmother. And now it becomes part of the legend of the family. So thanks for watching.